Hello, my name is Joaquin, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Google Cloud functions in order to operate in a serverless way. So first, this is my current project, and I made two different functions. One that is going to allow external users to use this function as an API in order to scrap a web page, more precisely a TXT URL, and make a text analysis of the content. The other function is going to allow the user to upload several files, TXT files, to a bucket, and it's going to perform the sentiment analysis of all these individual files, and it's going to store them in a different bucket. I choose to use bucket because it was going to be easier than any type of database, but you can change that. You can choose whatever you want. This is only to show the main idea. So let's start with the beginning. My first function is called download print, and what it's going to allow is to allow the user to choose a URL with a TXT content there, and it's going to perform a text analysis of the event. So for that one, I'm going to use a file that is inside my repo. Let's going to use the function, the testing function from the function. As you can see, the function is performing the sentiment analysis, is printing several metrics, and also is printing the original message. Also, we can do that outside Google Cloud Services, like an independent user. So we can access to this function as a simple post message. For example, here I'm going to perform the same operation. Okay, now with the second function, it's called from input to output. And so for this, I create two different buckets, input serverless and output serverless. The idea is that my function is going to react when I add files into this bucket, input serverless, and it's going to save the analysis on another bucket, in this case, output serverless. So we can see that we don't have any file inside the bucket. We choose two simple files, pretty easy TXT files. And we see that they're in my input. And now let's go to my output serverless. And we can see we can also see the logs for this function. If we choose the one from the last 5 minutes, we can see that first it starts with the algo.txt file, perform all the sentiment analysis, and then continue with the next one. Okay, this was a brief introduction on how to use Google Cloud Functions, and I hope you like it.